Check this out, guys. In the past 2 days, I was able to earn over $220 in affiliate commissions. You can see here, last Monday, I made $180. And then yesterday, I still got a sale of $48.50 using a very simple copy and paste affiliate marketing method for beginners that uses just free traffic. Now, this is something that anybody on the world can actually do. And all you really need to know is how to copy and paste and then watch this video from beginning to the end, because I'm going to share with you the exact step-by-step method that I actually used to generate this amount of money. And also, if you don't know how to copy and paste, don't worry, I will show you exactly how to do that as well, and how you can possibly make your first affiliate sale if you never made any money online, or how you can also earn over $200 in simply 2 days without actually having a website, without putting your face on camera just like I'm doing right now, or without actually paying for any traffic or any tools, because all we are going to be using are going to be free tools that are available online for anybody, and also a free traffic source that's getting over 66 million visitors every single month. This is the traffic source that I'm talking about, guys. 66 million visitors per month. But before that, if you like videos about making money online, don't forget to smash like on this one. I would really appreciate it. And also, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification so you will never miss out on any of my future videos. Also, guys, please be aware of the scammers in the comment section below. I will never tell you to contact me on WhatsApp, Telegram, or any of those messaging platforms. Only real contact information are going to be from my videos, like from me speaking directly to you, or from the links in my video description. Please do not reply to those people. Now, one thing I would like to kindly ask you to do is to please comment down below and comment, don't reply to the WhatsApp or Telegram scammers, so other people are also not going to fall for these scams. I have seen a couple of people messaging me, they almost spent $500 to pay to these scammers. Please do not pay them. Whenever I'm going to be selling you anything, it's going to be done through my videos where you can clearly see me speak, or it's going to be done through the links in my video description, never through comments or messaging you to message me on WhatsApp or something like that. So please be aware. And with that being said, let's get started with today's step-by-step tutorial so you can start making money online completely for free. Okay, guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can actually use this 66 million visitor free traffic source yourself to actually get free traffic and also actually make money from this. Now, quick warning, you can actually make money on first day using this, as I was able to make using like Digistore 24, but also it actually can take a couple of days. Okay, so if you are not going to make money right away, don't worry, just repeat the method multiple times and you can actually make a lot more money long term. Just please don't do this just one time and expect to get rich right away. That's not how it works. So step number one, guys, you want to go to Digistore 24 and you want to just sign up for a free account. The blue button right here is going to tell you about it. Start now. It's free to sign up. You just click on this button and then pretty much you will come to the members area of the Digistore. What you really want to do is just navigate right here where it's going to say marketplace. You click there and you will come to this page where you can pick up all the different products we are going to be using. Now, this method is going to work very well for the product that I'm going to show you how to use right now, but also it's going to work for any other products, most likely digital product like a video course that you are going to be promoting from these categories. So don't be shy and feel free to go to other categories. There's plenty of products to promote, but I also want to show you how to use it for one specific product and show you a live example of how simple it is. So just search for like keto diet and it should show you this product right here, the custom keto diet, which is right here. Okay, now what you want to do, click on promote now right here and it's going to give you your affiliate link. So this is my pretty much affiliate link right here that I can use. Okay, so this is the link that we are going to be using. That's it for now. The next step, what you want to do is go to Google. You want to search for something like keto diet recipes or the best keto diet recipes. Now, if you are searching for anything else or you are using any other niche, for example, like dating, you can put there like best first dates examples, or if you are putting something, some tips that you can actually find online. Okay, so for example, keto diet recipes, or I don't know, ways to build muscle, ways to make money online, ways to save money online. I don't know, from top of my head, top paleo recipes, something that you can actually find online, like a short list of value that we can actually use, okay? So for example, 45 keto dinner recipes that are simple and guilt-free, ketogenic diet recipes. So we are really looking for any of these websites that are right here that we could actually use to actually get free content, okay? Now don't worry, we are not even creating any videos, we are not going to be doing anything like that. As I said, this is a simple copy and paste method, okay? Easy keto diet recipes to see you through summer, and you can see they're actually from top to bottom, okay? So there's not like you need to click because it's not going to work. So you want to find something that looks just like this, something that is very value packed, but also it's not like too long recipes, because nobody's going to read the actual recipe. People are going to read the name of the recipe, okay? They are looking most likely for inspiration and not really for one-to-one ingredients they need for this specific like killer hot smoked salmon slaw, okay? So find a website like this for your niche. You want to copy the link to this website and you want to go to web to PDF, put it right here and click on convert, okay? And now this entire website is going to be converted into a PDF ebook that we can actually use ourselves without actually pretty much creating it ourselves. You can see it was so far just copy and paste. That's all I did. Now just wait for it to load up. Then when it's done, this is how the page is going to look like, and all you really have to do is just click on this icon to download the file. Then once the file is downloaded, you want to go to a website that is called seda.com, like Seda, SEJDA.com, and you just want to drag the file directly here, and we are going to do a few edits, okay? But as you can see right here, the page looks actually very cool. The ebook, I would say, looks actually very cool because it has these images, it has this pretty much text about like the recipes, and this is pretty much like a completely value-packed PDF full of big text, big juicy images, and pretty much something that people can actually use to get these keto diet recipes. Now, what you really need to do right now is just this. Leave the first page as it is. Then you want to add a page right after the first page of the document. So it's going to look blank just like this. And then you want to go to the sales page of the product. And pretty much for the custom keto diet, you want to click right here on the sales page at the bottom right, scroll down and it says prefer to read, click here. Then you want to click there, and this is so much content we can actually use right now to create our call to action. So you really just want to copy and paste this part, and you want to add it right here onto the second page, okay? Don't add it on the first page, just add it on the second page of this document. So just like this, for example, so I'm just going to copy this part, so something like this, then also download this image, for example. So this is going to be the headline, and this is the image, then this is the text that I put there right here. And instead of I invite you to read this page, the call to action for this one is going to be then click here to get a custom keto diet created specifically for you with your favorite foods. Now, so far, all you really have to do is just then add links right here. Click on the links right here. And what you want to do is you want to highlight this entire part as a link and go back to Digistore. You want to copy your affiliate link right here, then come back to the Seda and put it right here and hit on enter. Okay, so right now we have our page ready, and now go right here where it says apply changes, click there, and then this is how your document is going to look like. So you can see this is the second page. It looks just as if it was in the main ebook, and go right here and click on download. And now guys, I want to show you this 66 million per month visitors free traffic source that you can actually use with this ebook or with any other ebook that you're going to create using this specific method to actually get free traffic. And then later on I'll show you one more special hack, which is just for the people that are watching this video till the end. If you are still watching, by the way, don't forget to drop a like, I would really appreciate it. But I want to show you another hack on how to skyrocket your results with a very minimal investment. So what you want to do right now is to actually get this 66 million visitors per month traffic source is go to a website that is called slideshare.net. Now you just sign up, it's 100% free sign up, and just go right here where it says upload, and you can actually upload different ebooks right here to actually get free traffic from them. Now it's going to ask you to verify that you are a human, just click right here. Now for the title, I just put in here top delicious keto recipes to lose weight. For the description, just go back to the page that you have gotten the ebook from, so delicious in this case, then put it right here, and you can see you can have like 3,000 characters. You don't really need to use a lot of them, just copy the first part that's going to be in the ebook just from the website. Then right here where it's going to say category, you want to put here like food, because obviously it's related category to that. And then for the tags, you can just add a couple of tags that are going to come out to your mind, so like keto diet, keto recipes, how to lose weight, get in shape, and all of these, and pretty much make sure the privacy is going to be public, and then click on the publish button right here. And then it's going to tell you, awesome, you are all done, now it's time to share your document with the world, and it's going to add it into the library. But most important part, now it's actually online with the exact keywords about keto diet recipe, and it has your affiliate link, and it's going to be online for a very long time, and people can actually find it through search engines or just browsing through SlideShare. And because this is not a CPA offer, so it's not related to countries, they are going to actually make a purchase and you can actually get paid. Now in some cases and in some niches, you will get a lot of traffic right away with a huge boost that's going to get you a lot of sales, but then it's going to die off. And with some other niches, first nothing is going to happen, and then you are slowly starting to get traffic, like 1 click per day maybe, but every single click can actually turn into a sale. So any of these clicks can turn into sale. But some niches will get you huge traffic right away, and some niches are going to get you very slow traffic but for a very long time. Now here's how to actually multiply your results and pretty much get a lot more sales right away. What you want to do is you want to go to a website that's called SEOclerks.com, and then right here on the right hand side you want to search for PDF submission, guys. And this actually works super well, and it's also underused method because nobody really wants to do this, because it's only just $1. Like, it's not completely free, but it's just $1, so it has like some barrier to entry, but most people are going to skip this. And what you can actually find here is that people are going to be submitting your PDF to all of these PDF submission websites with high quality SEO optimization. Now these people already know how to put these documents on these websites. They have like 70 of these websites or 60 of these websites or 26 of these websites already, and they know how to put in there. So all you really have to do is just send them your PDF ebook, and this guy, for example, for just $1, or this guy, for example, for $2, is going to submit it to over 60 different websites. Okay, so you can see right here, like these are some of the websites that he's going to submit it to. So Google Drive, Dropbox, ForShare, Visually, Mega, Doctroid, Digo. There's a lot of these websites out there. He has like 60 of them, and all of them are going to be sending you traffic. And to pretty much skip all the work, you can just create these ebooks and then pay him like $2, and he's going to submit them for you with the best keywords, with the best headline, with the best description, but with your affiliate link in each and every single one of these submissions. And that's, guys, I really hope you enjoyed this. Now sometimes you can make even more money than $200 using this method. Sometimes you can make even less money than $200. With some niches you're going to be making money for a long time, especially if you're going to think outside the box. And with some niches you are going to make like pretty much some money right away and then nothing for the rest of the time. Just please give it a try, do take action on this, because otherwise it's not going to work for you. Other than that, thank you for watching, and for more videos check out any of them that are going to show up on the screen, and I'm going to see you in them. Bye for now.